In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a booklet in Canva. It's a straightforward process, and by the end of this video, you'll have created a beautiful booklet of your own. Let's get started. First, head over to Canva. If you haven't already signed in, you'll need to do so using your Google account. Once you're on the Canva homepage, look for the Continue button and click it. This action will prompt you to choose the Google account you'd like to use to log in. It's essential to use the same account consistently to keep all your designs in one place. After you've successfully logged in, you'll find yourself on Canva's dashboard. Here's where the magic happens. Move over to the search bar at the top of the page. Type the word booklet into the search bar and hit search. You'll notice a wide variety of templates displayed for you. These templates are professionally designed, so you have a solid foundation for your booklet right from the start. Browse through the template library until you find one that suits your needs. Feel free to exit and return to the template selection stage if you need more time to look through options. Remember, the design you choose can set the tone for the information you're going to present. Once you've found the perfect template, click on it and then select Customize this template. This action will open the template in the Canva editor, where you can personalize each page according to your preferences. Now comes the fun part, editing. Click on the parts of the template you want to modify and start typing in your text or the information you want to include. Remember, the key to a successful booklet is clear and concise information. Canva also allows you to add various elements like images, icons, and patterns to your design. Want to add something related to burgers? Canva's got you covered. Simply click on See All under the Elements tab and select the image or graphic you'd like to include in your booklet. Once you've picked out the perfect visual elements, adjust their size and reposition them to fit your layout. The flexibility Canva offers means you can always tweak things around to achieve your desired outcome. You might even find that a little adjustment here and there can make a significant difference. There you have it. You've just customized a template into a personalized booklet by adding your unique text and elements. Don't hesitate to experiment and explore Canva's wide array of features. They can significantly enhance your project. Keep working through each page until you're satisfied with your creation. Thank you for watching and happy designing.